is Love Your Pet Day. To explain more about that, we brought in a professional, the guy who knows it all. It's Philip Fulton, Acting General Manager of Community Relations at the Calgary Humane Society, who's getting set up right now. He's just hanging out there with all the pets and the animals and all the fun stuff. Philip, good morning.
Good morning.
So we are celebrating here on set the Love Your Pet Day. Can you give the viewers some suggestions or tips about how they can also celebrate this day with their little pet?
Absolutely. I think the best thing you can do is, if you have a dog, go out and take advantage of the mild weather that we're having right now. It's a bit of a break in the coldness, but in so doing, just make sure that you're taking care of your pets and making sure that they're safe and healthy out there, on leash and with their vaccinations. And then the other is just hanging out and curling up with your cat inside.
Maybe a little treat or two?
Yeah, and I think the other thing to do is, if you don't have a pet, you can come in and find any of the pets here at the Humane Society that would make a great companion.
What about for those of us who can't have pets, can't adopt them? Can we come down and just cuddle with one for a while?
Oh.
That's a good question, and it's something that we get a lot. Unfortunately, we don't allow the public to just come in and cuddle with the pets, but we have a fantastic volunteer program and a foster parent program. And so with that, we make sure that we screen all of our foster parents and volunteers, and make sure that we can set you up with an appropriate pet to go into your home or that you can volunteer with. And the other is if you want to take advantage of any of our programs. So we've got wonderful youth programs as well as behavior training classes, which are an awesome opportunity to come in and either work with your animal or work with our animals.
So someone who is looking to get a pet, can you at least give them some insight on some of the things or issues they'd be dealing with if they have a new pet in their home?
Of course, yeah. I think first and foremost is just knowing what you're getting into. And so we ask our adopters to do some research into the type of animal that they're looking for, as well as sitting down with our adoption counselors and having a good idea of what kind of animal is going to fit best in your home. At the Humane Society, we're looking for the best possible match, not just necessarily the first match.
That's a great thing, and that's one thing that you do there at the Calgary Humane Society, Philip. You give information. It's not just like, here's your pet, have a nice life. Philip Fulton, Acting General Manager of Community Relations, celebrating Loving Your Pet Day. Philip, always a pleasure, buddy. Stay in touch.
Thanks, sir.
And bark back at you.